Hello everyone, today I want to make a chicken chow mein. This is famous Chinese food and easy to make and really delicious. Let's get started. First, you cut the boneless chicken breast into a small pieces and we will marinate the chicken with the light soy sauce. And you add salt. And a few white pepper. For the ingredient you can read in the description box also. And now you mix well. You add the cornstarch. Actually the cornstarch make a chicken more tender, and you mix well. You have to make sure the chickens are coated with the cornstarch. And now you add sesame oil and you mix well again. This marinate chicken smells really good. I love food with the sesame oil because smells and tastes good. Now we want to make the sauce. We need hot water and we add a premium dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a few white pepper, and you mix well. Then you add sesame oil and you mix well and set aside. Now you add some cooking oil in a heat pan or wok. Please give like and leave your comment here to help me to grow so I can make a delicious recipe every week for you. Thank you. Swirl the oil around. We will start by frying our chicken first. Put your chicken in. Fry the chicken until they look brown on the both sides. Add the garlics that you already chopped before. Mix them up well until you can smell the fragrance of the garlic. Once you can smell the fragrance of the garlic, you can add in the noodles. I use dried noodles and Before I use that, I soften the noodles with hot water, or you can cook that noodles first. Now add in the green vegetables. You can use any green vegetables. I use bok choy because I love to eat noodles with bok choy. And then you add the sauce that you already made. Mix well until the noodles absorb the liquid of the sauce, and you have to make sure the liquid of the sauce almost dry inside the noodles. This will be a really flavorful food. The sauce is almost dry and the noodle already absorbed the sauce. Now it's time to serve our lunch. It's really delicious and smells really good. Thanks for watching and see you for the next recipe. Take care. Bye.